In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the most frequently asked questions by new traders, ironically, is how to get started trading. Hey everyone, lead trainer with Stocks to Trade, Tim Bowen here. Going to give you the basic steps to get started in day trading. If you're finding this video on YouTube, odds are you probably searched how to day trade, how to make money in stocks, some of these terms that brought you to this video. I'm going to try and get you started on that. We've got a bunch of great resources and tools to take you down that path. So, number one, you need a trading platform. A lot of traders, especially new traders, will try and be quote-unquote cheap and use websites like Yahoo Finance, Google Finance for their research. You can do that, but these free sites, they just don't have the information you need. They don't have real-time charting. They're lacking many features. They're free for a reason. So the biggest thing you need to get started is a charting and a research platform. Ideally, you check out Stocks to Trade. We've got a 7-day trial for $7. You can go to stockstotrade.com/7-day trial, the number 7-day trial spelled out. You can get started, download it, run it, get started. We really feel that Stocks to Trade is the one platform with every feature you have. Now, next step is you've got the tools, but like any carpenter or mechanic, you need the skills to go along with those tools. So the best place to get started is right here, the Stocks to Trade YouTube. We've got a bunch of great resources. We've got tips and tricks. We've got configuration on the profile. We've got the Steady Trade podcast where we talk about trades, past trades, the mentality, trading books, all of these things. And then we also do a lot of daily trading reviews where we might talk about the hot stock of the day. So use our YouTube, subscribe, there's a lot of great content here. It's all free. We do videos regularly. Next step is the Stocks to Trade University. So you can go to university.stockstotrade.com. If you're a Stocks to Trade customer, you've got full access to all of the resources there. In there, we've got more in-depth videos where we really start to get into the nitty-gritty of trading. Technical indicators, how to analyze news, how to break down an SEC filing, how to run stock screeners, how to use Oracle to plan trades. All of that is inside Stocks to Trade University. Now, you've done all the basics. You've learned, the basics of getting started through all these resources. The next step is to check out Stocks to Trade Pro. You can go to stockstotrade.com/pro. And it's a great resource. It's something that I'm very proud of. Basically, Stocks to Trade Pro is a mentorship program where you get twice daily webinars with me. You have direct access chat with me. We do a weekly strategy session where we talk about the psychology and the analysis of trading. And it's a great way to truly immerse yourself. Twice a day, every day, live and interactive webinars. Over the last 2.5 years, I've done over 1,200 webinars, never missed a day. I pride myself in showing up every day to help you maximize your success and take that step towards being a consistently profitable trader. Day trading is not easy. It might be one of the hardest things you ever try to do. There's a 90% failure rate for a reason. It's really hard, it takes a work ethic, it takes diligence, and it takes stick-to-itiveness. You gotta show up every day, just like I do in Stocks to Trade Pro, to maximize your potential for success. So again, I wish you the best, and take advantage of these tools to become a consistently profitable trader. Hey everyone, lead trainer with Stocks to Trade, Tim Bowen here. We'd like to thank you for watching our videos. We really want to help you learn, grow, and evolve and become a consistently profitable trader. We're proud of the tools we built in Stocks to Trade and want to help you maximize your success. Be sure to check out the other videos over there, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.